Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 connection error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your browser and go to Battlefield 2042 server status, and you want to open up Down Detector, for example, and you want to check if there are any outages reported in the last 24 hours. You can also do that on EA games if you're using it on EA, for example. As you can see, the server status for Battlefield is good. So basically, if everything is okay with Battlefield, you also want to go ahead and check your internet speed. Now, if your internet speed is okay, then you want to go ahead and write down on search bar CMD command prompt and run it as administrator. Then click yes. It will open up, and what you want to do is go ahead and flush your DNS. So you want to write down ipconfig /flush DNS, just like so. Enter, and then what you also need to write down is netsh winsock reset, and then restart your computer. Once your computer will be restarted, and if the connection error is still there, you want to go ahead to your settings of network settings. So let's go to system here. So on network and internet, you want to scroll down until you see advanced network settings, and here you want to choose your internet connection. So for me, it would be Wi-Fi. I want to go ahead and open it up and choose more adapter options and click edit. Here you want to go ahead and choose IPv4, open it up and write this down. So use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844, and click OK. Now you also want to go to your control panel, and on control panel you want to find network and sharing center, open it up, and then disable your internet for a little bit. So open up change adapter settings and disable your internet for a little bit, for 30 seconds, and then enable it again, and that should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.